Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of concept from chapter number 5. What is the name of chapter number 5? Two-dimensional analytical geometry part 2. I am moving to the first point, parametric form of parametric form of conics. We have the four different types. First one, parametric form of circle. Second one, parametric form of hyperbola. Third one, parametric form of ellipse. And last one, parametric form of hyperbola. Okay, one by one we can discuss. The first one, parametric form of circle. So parametric form of circle means basic equation of circle means x square plus y square is equal to a square, isn't it? If you draw, so what circle means, what is the meaning? This is considered for point means x comma y. This is called OM. So OM. This is actually constant we have considered for radius, that is called A. Okay. Now from this circle we can consider according to the osa chota. What is the meaning? Sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. So from this circle, sin theta is equal to, what is the meaning? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta is equal to, opposite means what is the meaning? MP, isn't it? So MP, hypotenuse means definitely we can see the constant term. This is will be read, that is called A. So therefore, sin theta is equal to, what is the meaning of MP? Y axis, consider for y, no? Therefore, we can write it y divided by A. Therefore, y is equal to A into sin theta. Then second step, what is the meaning of cos theta? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to, adjacent means OM. So OM divided by hypotenuse means that is radius called A. So again cos theta is equal to, OM means again this is x-axis. X-axis means consider for x. Therefore x divided by A. Therefore x is equal to A into cos theta. Now x square plus y square means, x square plus y square is equal to, x square means we can write it a square into cos square theta plus y square means again a square into sin square theta. Therefore a square take common outside means cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is called the basic identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta means value will be 1. Therefore we can write it x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is parametric form of circle. Okay, first one is clear. I am moving to second one. Condition y square is equal to 4ax at a point P, x1 comma y1 means instead of y square we can write it y1 square is equal to 4a into x1. 4a into x1, we have to split it, y1 into y1 is equal to 2a into 2x1. Therefore y1 divided by 2a is equal to 2x1 divided by y1. This is whole term consider for t means each and every time equating t means what will happen? y1 divided by 2a is equal to t. Second condition, 2x1 divided by y1 is equal to t. Therefore, y1 is equal to 2at as well as 2x1 is equal to t y1 divided by, that's all, isn't it? Therefore, x1 is equal to t y1 divided by 2. So, x1 is equal to, instead of y1 we can write it 2at. So, t into 2at divided by 2. Again 2 cancel means x1 is equal to at square. So, from these 2 points we can write it parametric form of parabola means x1 is equal to at square as well as y1 is equal to 2at. That's all. Moving to condition number third. Third means parametric form of ellipse. Condition parametric form of ellipse means x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. This is one circle of the term, means this is condition for ellipse. If you draw the right angle triangle, means what will happen? This is called the C. This is P of x comma y, means this is considered for Q. Okay, actually this is, we have to take it M. Okay, M of x comma y means this is ellipse of the point. This is considered for P, means x1 comma y1. Okay, now otherwise this is term for Q, this is a term for M. Okay, now you will get it clear idea. So listen one by one. So first condition according to the Osa Chota. So Osa Chota, cos, this is term considered for alpha. Okay, so cos alpha means cos alpha is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So therefore cos alpha is equal to adjacent means Cm, isn't it? Cm, hypotenuse means already we know this is constant term called A, radius. So Cm divided by A means Cm is equal to Cm is equal to A into cos alpha. Now next condition, sin alpha, isn't it? So sin alpha is equal to, what is the meaning? Sin alpha, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite means what is the meaning? MQ, but we need actually MP, isn't it? Therefore sin alpha is equal to MP divided by hypotenuse, already we know A. So first we have to apply, we need to find out MP, M to P, that is called parametric form of ellipse. So therefore this is Cm means what is the meaning? Consider for x1 means x1 into A cos alpha, means at a point x1 comma y1, means what will happen? Instead of x1 we can write it A cos alpha. Okay, therefore x square by A square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, means instead of first x means we can write it x1 square, isn't it? So x1 square divided by A square plus y square means y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. Next line, what is the meaning of x1? A into cos alpha, we can write it A square into cos square alpha divided by A square plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. So A square cancel, therefore cos square alpha plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. Again y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. Therefore y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha, means we can write it sin square alpha. Therefore y1 square is equal to b square into sin square alpha. Therefore y1 is equal to square root, means we can write it b plus or minus will come, we can write it positive value only, b sin alpha. Therefore parametric form of ellipse means x1 is equal to A cos alpha, y1 is equal to b sin alpha. The last one, parametric form of hyperbola. So parametric form of hyperbola. Hyperbola means instead of plus we can write it minus, as well as the point also x1 is equal to A secant theta, then y1 is equal to b tan theta. That's all. Okay, I will continuation of concept. Okay, moving to how to find out equation of tangent and normal. Y square is equal to 4x, that is called parabola at a parametric form. First we have to find out what is the meaning of tangent and what is the meaning of normal. After getting tangent and normal value, we have to apply with the parametric form, because already we found parametric form in equation of tangent and normal. The parabola means already we know x1 is equal to 80 square, y1 is equal to 280, isn't it? So listen, y square is equal to 4x means definitely we can say that is called right side open parabola. If you draw one tangent line means this is P of x1 comma y1 means this is considered for normal, that is considered for q means what is the point x2 comma y2. Okay, this is called x, this is called y. The condition, main condition, y square is equal to 4ax. So y square is equal to 4ax means the first point P of x1 comma y1 means what will happen? Instead of y square we can write it y1 square is equal to 4ax1. This is condition number 1. Next condition, the same point y square is equal to 4ax. Again instead of p we can take it x2 comma y2 point. At x2 comma y2 means we can write it y2 square is equal to 4ax2. This is called equation number 2. So 1 minus 2, what will happen? Equation 1 minus equation 2 means y1 square minus y2 square is equal to 4ax1 minus 4ax2. A square minus b square. What is the meaning? A minus b into a plus b. So we can write it y1 minus y2 divided by, sorry my dear, y1 minus y2 into y1 plus y2 is equal to 4a take common outside means x1 minus x2. Again y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2 bring it opposite side means divided by is equal to 4a divided by y1 plus y2. This is slope of the point, isn't it? The slope means already we learned from 10th standard onwards whether y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus 1 or y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2 means slope. This is considered for m means what will happen? So therefore m is equal to, we can take it 4a divided by y1 plus y2. The first condition, equation of tangent. So equation of tangent means the point y1 minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore y minus y1 is equal to, what is the meaning of m? 4a divided by y1 plus y2 into x minus x1. Now the condition, equation of tangent means point of normal line also considered for y1. Why? This is the line considered for, again tangent line means x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. So instead of y1 also we can consider y2. So y2 equating the value of y1 means what will happen? Y minus y1 is equal to 4a divided by y2 also we can consider y1 because the normal lines will be equating or equal to tangent. So therefore y1 plus y1 into x minus x1. Again y minus y1 is equal to 4a divided by 2y1 into x minus x1. Again 4 and 2 cancel means 2 times. So y minus y1 is equal to 2a into x minus x1. So now, sorry, 2a divided by y1, isn't it? This is the main point. This is slope of the tangent. What is the name? Slope of tangent is equal to 2a divided by y1. Now cross multiply means y1 is equal to y1 square, sorry my dear, minus y1 into y1 means y1 square is equal to 2ax minus 2ax1, isn't it? Already we know what is the meaning of y1 square, 4ax1. Therefore y1 minus 4ax1 is equal to 2ax minus 2ax1. Again negative 4ax1 bring out opposite side means positive 4ax1. So y1 is equal to 2ax minus 2ax1 positive 4ax1. So next line. So next line y1 is equal to y1 is equal to 2ax, then negative 2ax1 plus positive means we can write it positive 2ax1. Therefore y1 is equal to 2a take common outside means x plus x1. This is the term for equation of tangent. What is the meaning? Equation of tangent. Now, equation of normal. So, equation of normal means, equation of normal, look at there, this is slope of the tangent means what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to negative 1 by m into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 is equal to, already we know this is positive sign is negative but reciprocal. Therefore, we can write it negative y1 divided by 2a into x minus x1. Again cross multiply, 2ay minus 2ay1 is equal to negative xy1. Again negative into negative means positive x1 into y1. Now negative sign bring out opposite side means 2ay plus xy1 is equal to x1 y1. Negative 2ay1 bring out opposite side means positive 2ay1. This is called equation of normal. What is the meaning? Equation of normal. So this is 2 points we need. This is also one of the important point as well as which one? This is also important point, isn't it? Now I am moving to how to apply in parametric form whether equation of tangent and equation of normal. The main condition, what is the point? Actually, x1 is equal to at square as well as y1 is equal to 2at, isn't it? Now, equation of tangent in parametric form. Equation of tangent at parametric form. So, parametric form means what is the meaning of equation of tangent? y1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1. Instead of y1 we can write it 2at. So y into 2at is equal to again 2a into x plus x1 means at square. Now look at the 2a cancel means yt is equal to x plus at square. This is equation of tangent at parametric form. I am moving to equation of normal at parametric form. Equation of normal at parametric form. Look at there. The main point already we know. What is the point? 2a y plus x y1 is equal to x1 y1 plus 2a y1. Instead of y1 we can take it to 2at. So 2ay plus x into y1 means 2at plus is equal to, isn't it? Is equal to x1 into y1 means at square into 2at plus 2a into y1 means 2at. Therefore, last condition 2ay plus 2axt then is equal to a into a means 2a square t cube plus last condition 4a square t. Each and every time divided by 2a means what will happen? So each and every time divided by 2a means we can write it y plus then xt is equal to at cube plus last condition true at will come, isn't it? True at. This is what is the meaning? Equation of normal at a parametric form. At parametric form, okay. So now I am moving to next condition. Next condition means again the same parametric form, parabola, okay. So now moving to how to find out equation of normal and tangent to ellipse at a parametric form. First the basic form, equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So let point P x1 comma y1, then point Q, x true, comma y true. So at P, x1 comma y1 means what will happen? x1 square divided by a square plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. This is considered for equation number 1. Now at P, x true comma y true means what will happen? x2 square divided by a square, then y2 square divided by b square is equal to 1. This is considered for equation number 2. So subtract equation 1 minus true means equation 1 common denominator no a square and a square means we can write it x1 square minus x2 square divided by a square, then plus y1 square minus y2 square divided by b square is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So next line. So next line, a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. So we can write it x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2. Otherwise, first positive term keep it y1 square minus y2 square divided by b square is equal to plus term bring out opposite sign means minus of x1 square minus x2 square divided by a square. Now we can apply a square minus b square form. So first condition y1 minus y2 into y1 plus y2 divided by b square is equal to minus of x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 divided by a square. Now y1 minus y2 as it is divided by x1 minus x2 means x1 minus x2, then is equal to opposite side minus of b square into x1 plus x2 divided by a square into y1 plus y2. This is slope of the form, isn't it? M is equal to, this is considered for M means, so therefore first I am moving to find out equation of tangent. So equation of tangent means formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the meaning of m? Minus b square divided by a square into x1 plus x2 over y1 plus y2. Therefore, y minus y1 is equal to minus b square into x1 plus x2 divided by a square into y1 plus y2 into x minus x1, isn't it? So this is we need the first equation we need. I will write it here. What is the meaning? x1 square divided by a square plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. Just the equation of a ellipse, if you draw, this is definitely tangent means consider for the normal of the line means this is point P means what is the meaning x1 comma y1 as well as this is normal line means point x2 comma y2. But the equation of tangent means the normal line also equating tangent means x1 is equal to y2 we can consider as well as x1 is equal to x2 as well as y1 is equal to y2. Therefore, so x2 consider for x1 as well as y2 consider for y1 means what will happen? Condition y minus y1 is equal to minus b square. Instead of x2 apply for x1 means we can write no true x1. Then as well as denominator also we can write it true y1 into x minus x1. So 2 cancel means y minus y1 is equal to minus b square x1 divided by a square y1 into x minus x1. This is the term of what is the name? Slope of tangent. So slope of tangent is equal to minus b square x1 divided by a square y1. So cross multiply means a square y1 minus of a square y1 square is equal to, then opposite side minus b square x1 minus into minus plus b square x1 square, isn't it? Now plus term minus term bring out opposite side means we can write it a square y1 then plus b square x1 is equal to b square. First we can write it positive term means a square y1 square plus b square x1 square. Each and every term divided by a square b square means what will happen? Divided by a square b square means second x term bring out first term means what will happen? x1 divided by a square then plus y1 divided by b square is equal to opposite side. We can write it x1 square divided by b square cancel means a square will come. Next term, so y1 square divided by a square cancel means b square will come. This is the whole term. Starting I have written this is value will be equal to 1. Therefore, equation of tangent equation of tangent means formula x1 divided by a square plus y1 divided by b square is equal to 1. Moving to how to find out equation of normal, isn't it? So equation of normal formula y minus y1 into negative 1 by m into x minus x1. What is the meaning slope of the tangent? Already negative sign is so we can negative cancel. Then we have to write it reciprocal of function. Therefore, y minus y1 is equal to a square y1 divided by b square x1 into x minus x1. Again cross multiply means b square y x1 minus of b square x1 y1 is equal to, so a square x y1 then minus of a square x1 into y1. Now, so left hand side we have to keep it the value. This is the negative value bring out opposite side means we can write it a square x1 y1 then minus b square x1 y1 is equal to here a square x y1 then b plus term bring out opposite sign means minus b square y x1 minus b square y x1. Again the whole term interchange means a square x y1 minus b square y x1 is equal to, here left hand side value common value x1 y1 is there, isn't it? Take common outside means x1 y1 means a square minus b square. So each and every term divided by x1 and y1 means what will happen? So a square x divided by x1 minus b square y divided by y1 is equal to a square minus x1 y1 cancel means is equal to a square minus b square. This is called, what is the name? Equation of normal. Okay, I am moving to the parametric form in normal. So at parametric form in normal condition x1 is equal to a cos theta then y1 is equal to b sin theta. The main term, this is considered for x1, no? The condition a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Instead of x1, this is x1, isn't it? Therefore, a square x divided by a cos theta plus b square y by b sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Again square and a cancel, square and b cancel means ax by cos theta plus by by sin theta is equal to, sorry here minus, isn't it? Sorry my dear, there is minus, no? minus minus minus. There ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. This is at parametric form in normal. Okay, I am moving to next concept. Okay, please stay on the line. Condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the conic section. The first condition, right side open parabola means y square is equal to 4ax. Then at P, x1 comma y1 means what will happen? Y1 square is equal to 4ax1. This is considered for equation number 1 means the main condition, given condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c be a tangent, isn't it? Be a tangent means what is the main for equation of tangent at parametric form? Y1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1. Therefore, y1 is equal to 2ax plus 2ax1. This is considered for equation number 3 means both of tangent, no? According to the proportional theorem, ratio term what will happen? Consider for coefficient of y means y1 divided by 1 is equal to 2a divided by m is equal to constant term 2ax1 divided by c. So equating first and second term means y1 is equal to value will be 2a by m as well as second condition 2a divided by m is equal to 2ax1 divided by c. Again 2a cancel means x1 is equal to c by m. Now substitute x1 and y1 value in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? y1 square is equal to 4ax1. What is the meaning of y1 square? 2a by m the whole square is equal to 4a into x1 means c by m. So if you remove the bracket means 4a square by m square is equal to 4a c by m. 4a square and 4 cancel means here denominator also square and m cancel means value will be, so c is equal to a by m. Now what is the meaning of x1? x1 is equal to, instead of c we can apply a by m means x1 is equal to value will be a by m square. Therefore the required line, so required line means condition y is equal to mx plus c is there. C just now we found what is the value? A by m. Okay, this is condition for parabola. Now I am moving to find out the ellipse. Okay. So ellipse form. What is the main term, general term of ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 means how to find out the c square value? A square m square plus b square. What is the meaning of point of contact? Point of contact means minus a square m by c and b square by c, as well as how to find out the tangent form. Tangent form means actually y is equal to mx plus or minus square root of a square m square plus b square. This is ellipse condition. This is needful for during the exam time to find out 2 mark 3 mark question. It's useful for you. Okay. As well as hyperbola. So hyperbola means form x square by a square minus will come minus y square by b square. This is general term of hyperbola. As well as c square means what is the meaning? C square is equal to a square m square. Instead of plus we can write it minus b square. Then point of contact also coordinate point, isn't it? So point of contact means both the coordinate point negative a square m by c and negative b square by c. This is point out. Then how to find out the tangent line? Y is equal to mx plus or minus square root of a square m square minus b square. This is y value. Okay. So please listen, my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.